Welcome to Tobin's Adventure Channel.
See what we're gonna put together?
No.
Oh.
You can see on the back of it, no?
A police department. Even though it just shows a car, but it's called police department. We figured we can put it together and see what it looks like. Right, Tobin?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Ah! Ouch, ouch! You got my knee. You are so rough when you open things, buddy. Here, can I help you?
There's instructions.
The instructions. Okay. So there's 7 steps. And these are the tiny, tiny pieces. Even though I still say it shouldn't say police department. It should probably just say police car. Because there's no actual department in this box that, you know, what we're making. But whatever. It's what we're gonna do. Tobin's opening it up. Are you having problems?
Yeah.
Okay, let me open it. Okay. Okay. Tobin's videoing now. They're the parts that we, well, try to organize. Tobin's foot is in the way, little foot. We're gonna put it together now. All right. Okay, so Tobin kinda helped me. Not really. He's been more scattering pieces, so I've been trying to find it for him so I can build him this police car. Yeah, hiding. Okay, we made it. And can I see? Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Oh no, the person already came off. Okay, can I see it, buddy?
You already saw it.
No, I like to. No. Okay.
I'm gonna hide.
What?
I'm gonna hide.